Hi guys, to another video. Today I'm with my dad once again.
I just knew that was coming. I was already clenched up ready. What we're training, mate?
So we're training back today, we're doing deadlifts.
Yeah.
Pull downs.
Pull downs, and I'm going to do the wrong ones as well.
Yeah.
So we're working on a bit of a deadlift program. So first up with Max, we're going to do, last week we did speed, the week before we did 3 sets of 10 at 70%. So part of my program, top secret, we're going to do 3 sets of 8 at 75% today. His max at the minute is 75 kilo, that's what I got him down as. So we're going to do 75% of 75, which is 56 kilos. So we've got 3 sets of 8 at 56 kilo, and then we're going to superset, lat pull down and a pull, and then we're going to do one more pull and then finish on biceps. We have literally got 35 minutes to train because he's got a fireworks night at school, and if we're not there at 5 o'clock, I get in the balls. Right, quick warm up.
No.
3 sets of 8. Let's go. Come on. Oh, that's better. 2 more. Right, superset now then. So we're going to do set on the deadlift, set on the lat pull down, and a set on the isolateral row. So 1, 2, 3, one after the other. We're going to do that 3 times.
Okay.
3 sets of 8, 3 sets of 10, 3 sets of 10. Right, you'll go back. 1. Come on, remember attacking. 2. 3. Come on. 4. Wait. Come on. 6, good. 7. 1 more, let's go. 8, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, nice. 10 reps. Big stretch out, yeah, stretch it out, in, stretch. 4, stretch. 5, stretch. 6, come on. 7, come on. 8, come on. 9, 1 more. Let's go. 10, good. So that first set was, you're doing the same weight on that. You're going to go up 5 kilo aside on that one, and we're going to put 10 kilo aside on the back row.
And that's it.
Yeah, and then we'll just do 1 more set after that. I'm going to do a bit of biceps and we're done, mate. It's just a super quick back workout. Honestly guys, like, people think you've got to train 6 to 10 exercises to get a good back workout. You really haven't. Deadlifts, 2 accessory movements, that's plenty, yeah? And if you get it done in 30 minutes, 40 minutes, spot on. Ooh. Lovely. 1. Let's go. Good. 2, come on. 3. Good. 4. Come on. 5. Good. Come on. Come on. 6. Great. Put straps on for the next set. 7. Okay. Re-grip. So just do this again. Re-grip everything. Come on. 8. Nice. Straight in. Come on. Got it?
Yeah.
10 reps. Let's go. 1. 2, stretch out. 3, stretch. That's it. 4, 5, 6, 7, good. 8, 9, one more, down to the chest, come on. 10, nice. 1, 2, good, come on. 3, come on. 4, stretch. 5, 6, come on. 7, let's go. Let's go. 8,
No.
come on.
No.
You fake. Alright, you're 10 on the next one. Last round, mate. Woo! Okay, do that. Got it? Come on. Big breath. Arms straight. 1. Good. Look out much better with the straps. Let's go. Come on. Fire them out, Max. 3. Come on, back straight. Let's go. Good. 4. 1, tap, let's go. 5, come on. Let's go, buddy. Come on. 6, 2 more. Come on. 7, good reps. Last one, make it count. Come on, Max, show them what you're made of now. Make it look easy. Come on. Come on. Nice. 8. You ready?
Yeah.
Blast it. It's quite heavy. 40 kilo side. Let's go. 1, 2, good. 3. Come on. 4, 5. Over here. 6. Come on. 7. Come on. 8. 9, come on, one more, 10, good lad. Straight in, 10 reps this time, yeah? Tack it. You got it? Right, let's go, 10, let's go. 1, come on. 2, all the way back. 3, come on, all the way back. 4, regrip. You got it? Let's go. Come on. 5, let's go. Come on. 6, let's go. Come on, Max. 7, come on. Pull. 8, come on. 9, one more. Big. Breathe deep, come on. Let's get it. Go. Boom.
What's that the last set?
That's it, mate. I think we're done because it's 4:45 now, so we've got 15 minutes. Get showered and get to your precious fireworks night.
Yeah, it'll take.
Right, let's wrap up quickly, mate. So, done deadlifts. We did 3 sets at 8 at your 75%. We're working towards.
100.
No, we're working towards a 75 kilo deadlift at the minute. So you're well on target. So, and then we warmed up 3 sets of 8, 3 sets of 10, 3 sets of 10. We just superset the 3. It took us literally
40 minutes.
30 minutes.
What?
It took us 35 minutes to do that workout, and that is enough of a workout for you to benefit from, feel better. You're gonna have a bit, good pump in your back, upper back and everything. So that was a good little session for me. It's just what I needed for today. We're in a rush, so.
So make sure to subscribe to the channel. That will happen to you. Okay? For real.
Big love, big peace.
And big love.